Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching Take. So we installed and reviewed the Nothing OS 1.5.3 Android 13 stable update few days back. But yesterday I checked the software update section and we got yet another hotfix update 1.5.3. It's just 19 MB in size. We have created the full review video for the stable Nothing OS 1.5.3. You can check that from the iCard. Most of users reported some bugs under the video description and also found some in the update. So I started the download and installation of this update. Now we will thoroughly check out what fixes has been added by the Nothing. I checked all the bugs mentioned by the users, and finally at last I checked all the major bugs that we got in the old build of Nothing OS 1.5.3. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
So installation has been completed. Let's check out the about phone if we get any difference here. Nothing OS version is same, it's 1.5.3. we will not get any tag like hotfix here. But the build number of this update is changed. It's a space over T1.5 17 March 2023. Last update was of 10th March 2023. Except that nothing changed here. This is the same Android 13 build with the same security patch of 5th February 2023. Now let's check out the fixes done by the Nothing for this update as per changelog. Nothing mentioned in the changelog that they fixed some notifications are not visible while using the quick setting panel. Now this issue has been fixed and all the notifications are visible while using the quick setting panel. Next they fixed the NFC toggle which was previously not working properly in the quick setting panel. Actually I didn't use the NFC a lot, so I didn't check this in a last update, but now it seems working well. Now let's check out the bugs mentioned by the users under the comment section of old video. We will check them one by one. One user reported that when he does the modification in quick setting panel and after some time all the changes goes to the default setting. So to check this issue, I did some changes in the quick setting panel and kept the phone idle mode for the few minutes, and when I checked all the quick setting panel, it's found same as we did the changes few minutes ago. So this issue maybe got fixed in this update. Another user reported auto brightness is not working properly in the old Nothing OS 1.5.3, but I checked the auto brightness and it's working properly without any issues in this hotfix update. Another user reported that he got the wide one security as L3, but actually in old build and in this hotfix update I always got L1 security, but there is one major bug that I will tell you at the end of the video, so watch the video till the end. One user reported bug regarding the Bluetooth connectivity. He told once he connected the device with the Bluetooth and disconnected it later when I started to use the device, it's not getting connected automatically and he needs to turn on and off the Bluetooth connection. So to test this I connected my S-Fast Crystal earbuds with the Bluetooth and disconnected them also. When I power on the device, it's instantly got connected automatically without any issues as user reported. Another user reported face unlock not working properly in old Nothing OS update, but in this hotfix update I did not face any delay or the errors while using the face unlock. These are all the users reported bugs we tested and all are fixed. Now let's check out the bugs or the issues that I faced in the last Nothing OS update 1.5.3. First issue I faced regarding the CPU throttling. Actually I am not getting the good results in all Android 13 builds. So once again I ran the CPU throttling test for the 20 threads and 5 minutes. For 4 minutes I didn't got any red or yellow lines in the graph. I thought this time I will get the better results, but immediately after 4 minutes all the yellow lines started in the graph. When I stopped the test after 5 minutes I got the score of 78%. For last Nothing OS build I got the score of 76%. So issue of CPU throttling is persisting in this build also. Next issue we got in the old build regarding the safety net. Their CTS profile got failed in the safety net check. I tested the safety net using different applications, but still it's got failed. But surprising thing is that though the CTS profile is getting failed, All the banking applications are working without any issues like SBI, HDFC, which are using high security. This is the weird thing first time I seen. Next issue is though the wideband security is L1 but device play protect is uncertified in this build like old build. So some applications like the Netflix is not supported on uncertified device. But Amazon Prime HD is available and working. So these are all the fixes and issue we've seen in this new hotfix Nothing OS 1.5.3. Please tell us in the comment section, are those bugs fixed for your device or not, and if any other issues you are facing for this new hotfix update. So that's it for today guys. If this video helped you, then please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.